Hi, my name is Pastor Thomas, Jeffrey Thomas. I serve as pastor here at the St. James Baptist Church on South Main Street in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. And I'm privileged to be here with my friend and church member, Dr. Greigstone Yearwood.
I am indeed Greigstone Yearwood. I am a physician at Landmark Medical Center here in Woonsocket, Rhode Island, and I am an internal medicine provider.
Thank you, Dr. Yearwood. Some folks have said that the virus is essentially not a big deal, especially now. Tell me, what's the truth about the virus?
Well, it is true that there are many viruses which are benign. They are insignificant in terms of the fact that they do not kill, such as the cold virus. The common cold virus, people can let that run its course. But there are some viruses that kill. And suppose you had one of those viruses that kill, would you want us to let that run its course? I would think not. And 4 million people worldwide have died already because of this virus, so we cannot allow it to just run its course.
So, I'm a preacher, so I got to tell a preacher story. There's this story that is told about a man. There was a flood, and a man said he believes in God, and God is going to take care of him. He's told that the flood waters are going to rise, and he said, I'm going to pray, and God is going to take care of me. And the flood waters come, and they're rising, and he's got to go to one floor, and he's got to go up another floor, and he finds himself on the roof, and he's praying that God is going to rescue him. And someone comes along with a boat and tells him to get on, and he says, "No, God is gonna rescue me." And they come with the helicopter, like God is gonna rescue me. And other attempts were made to rescue him, and he says, "God is gonna rescue me." I have found that people have said concerning the virus that God is going to spare them, and if they get it, God is going to cure them, and all they have to do is pray and believe. And how do you respond to someone like that?
I think that is a very good example of God helping people indeed by action. People pray to God to help, and He sends boats and He sends whatever to help people, and He is helping people. He is responding to their prayer. So if you pray and you have faith, you have to have action, and you just can't sit there. So we think that we have prayed also, and God has sent some action. He has sent doctors to provide action, and the form of action in this case, we think, will be the vaccine or doctors' recommendations, which is other kinds of modalities to help kill this destructive virus, which is killing people worldwide.
There's another notion around the virus and the science. People have said that the vaccine came too quickly.
Fortunately, people have been working on this kind of a virus for years. In the 1990s, this COVID-19 virus is an example of a coronavirus, and they've been working at this for a long time. So when the virus came in, they can easily just direct it specifically to this virus. And so that's exactly what they did. This is definitely not a new idea. This is not a new science.
Well, thank you very much, Dr. Yearwood. St. James has been trying to do as much as it can to promote getting the vaccine. We have had vaccine clinic here, and we're grateful that you would take time out of your busy schedule to just have this conversation about the vaccine, and the hope that everyone would...
To learn more, please visit c19vaccineri.org or call 401-222-8022.